Welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I am going to be unboxing my Graze box. So it is box week, and if you're new to my channel, you're wondering what is box week. So box week is the 1 week of the month that I go ahead and unbox all of my boxes, and you have a subscription box every single day. So today's box is Graze, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. So let's see what we received. Also, I'm matching perfectly with this box, just saying that. They always send you a pamphlet, and this is what it looks like. So the first one that I'm seeing is Jelly Donut. So I am familiar with Jelly Donut. I've had this one before. This is raspberry strings, vanilla cookie drops, raspberry, cranberry, and almonds. And yeah, that one is really nice. The next one is this one right here, which is the white chocolate with wild blueberry toast. So you get toast and you get the white chocolate. So this one should be a fun one. The next one that I'm seeing in here is cocoa and vanilla protein flapjack. Now, I've mentioned this before. The flapjacks are so good. I don't know what they put in them, but they're so good. This one right here has the rustic rolled oats cocoa flapjacks with mixed seeds. I just can't wait to break into this one. And then the next one that I have is the, I don't know if that's supposed to say Garden or Carden of England. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it says mini strawberries, soft apple pieces, and black currants. Another good one. I've not tried that one, but it has a lot of like tasty flavors. So then this comes with 8, and this one right here is from the second row. It's the Memphis barbecue. This one right here has barbecue peas, salsa peanuts, and wild rice sticks. So I believe I've tried this one before. I don't really like the Memphis one for some reason. And then I have here the Anytime Energy. I've had this one before. This one is the cherry, pear, and walnut. So you can just get energy anytime. And then we have the Sweet Mustard Ranch. I believe I've tried this one in the past as well. This one has pretzels, sour cream, onions, cashews, and mustard breadsticks. So yes. And then the last but not least, we have a Natural Energy Nuts. And this one has walnut, hazelnut, and almonds. So this one's just all nuts, which I really like when they're nuts and berries or all nuts. I really don't care for the ones with like breadsticks and things like that. They don't really like catch my eye. And then, but I'm still excited for all of these. Now I have chosen to cancel this box, not because I don't like the tasty treats, but more so because I was getting too many of them at once, and I only show 1 box, but I was getting like 4 boxes a month and being charged for 4 boxes, which I felt was a lot for myself. And yes, it's good to have snacks that are healthy for you, but I was just getting too many at a time, and I just had to just cancel it for a little while. So I'm very sad to say that this is possibly one of the last times that you're gonna see the Graze box on my channel, although I do really love the subscription and I do feel that the snacks are delicious. If I do sign back up in the future, it'll possibly be for just like 1 box a month. That way I can just taste them and just be happy with tasting new things. Yeah, I just don't have the time to eat so many, and I was getting so many snacks. You know, it was just too much. So I hope that you like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Remember to enter my monthly mystery giveaway. I'm gonna keep doing these every month. If I change my mind at some point, I will let you know, but I'm gonna have one each month. And you know, you can enter to get a little bag with some cosmetics in them. So go ahead and do that. And as always, from my house to yours, Love ya.